ECA II third unit. So this is very important and easy topics all are. So according to J&H syllabus, in this unit totally 19 topics, all are very easy if you learn just 4 topics only. Okay, before going to 19 topics, first you have to know about basic points in this unit. So the first basic point, in open circuit voltage is high and current is almost zero. In short circuit current is high and voltage is almost zero. So these 2 points are very important. So we are going for a impedance calculation, we are doing a open circuit, and for admittance calculation we are going to do a short circuit. So almost we are using these 2 points in all the topics. Okay, here every network has a 2 ports. So one is a port 1 and another one is a port 2. So we can observe here. So this one is a network. So network in a sense already we have awareness on network. So the interconnection of 2 or more circuits is called a network. So this network having a 2 ports. So one is input port, another one is output port. If suppose for example we are connecting here input, in the sense this one is a input port. Suppose for example the same input we are connecting here, in the sense this one is a input port. Okay, so this input port having V1 voltage and I1 current, and output port having V2 voltage and I2 currents. So this network contains, so that one only I said here, input port has V1 voltage and I1 current, and output port has V2 voltage and I2 currents. So this network has 4 impedances. Those are Z1, Z12, Z21, Z22. Here Z11 as a self impedance, Z11 and Z22 as a self impedances, and Z12, Z21 are transfer impedances.